Good morning students. Now we'll start discussion of chapter 12 of your history chapter. That chapter is about ancient buildings, paintings and books. And in this chapter we will discuss about some prominent buildings, art and architecture of these buildings and some prominent paintings and books. First of all, we will discuss about iron pillar. That iron pillar is at Mehrauli, that is part of Delhi, and this pillar is remarkable skill of Indian craftsmen. This is 7.2 meters high and its weight is about 8 tons. That pillar is made about 1500 years ago. How can we know about the period of that pillar? Because on this pillar something is written, and that is about Chandragupta. And Chandragupta was ruler of Gupta period, so we can know about the time period when it was constructed. One amazing fact regarding that pillar is that it is not rusted in all these years. Isn't it example of their craft skill? That iron is not rusted in 1500 years. These are the pictures of that iron pillar, and here you can see something is inscribed on that pillar, that is about Chandragupta. Next is building. The skill of our craft person is also apparent in buildings, and these buildings are in semicircular or dome-like structure. So these are called stupa. Stupa means mount. The box placed at the middle of the dome type structure at the center contain mortal remains of Buddha, such as teeth, bone, ashes. So remains of Buddha are kept in stupa, and around the stupa there is Pradakshina Path. Pradakshina Path is way around the stupa, and it is surrounded by railings. Famous stupa is at Sanchi and Amravati. So these Sanchi and Amravati stupa are examples of stupa structure. Here you can see the picture of some stupas. Next is temple. Some earliest Hindu temples were also built during this time, and these were having deities like Vishnu, Shiva, Durga. So their idols are lying there. We can know that these idols were worshipped at that time. And the most important part of temple is Garbhagriha. Garbhagriha means place at center of the temple where image of God is kept. There priests perform different religious rituals, and that is main part of the temple. So we can see the main part, that is called Garbhagriha, where the idol is kept. Here you can see the pictures of some temples during ancient time. So we can see that our temples or stupas or pillars, whatever is meant at that time, are example of great craftsmanship of that the people of the India at that time.